I am a professional hacker hunter with years of experience. My mission is simple. I catch Warzone streamers that use cheat software. I don't care about age or gender. If you are cheating, I will come for you. And I will not put up with nonsense either. This is my job, and my passion. I will present hard evidence, and it is up to the community to decide. I will not stop until I have all my rats accounted for. I won't be intimidated. And I won't be silenced. I am Call of Shame. And these are my rats. Recently, we published the very first rat hunt, which was live on Friday, in which we featured streamers that were spectated with walls, by an undercover agent, who is only known as Ghost. It was extremely successful, as the community was able to watch along, and make their own decisions. I was alerted through email, that one of my rats, was hitting the alcohol hard, live on stream, and her speech was starting to get a little slurred. I immediately headed to the rat room, as what better way to catch a cheating streamer, is with lots of alcohol, and hyped up simps. My suspicions were confirmed, as when she mixed booze, with an already low IQ, I got to see things like this. She has been very active on YouTube recently. And I don't mean making content, no, she's been deleting it. All those clips when I exposed her last year, well, they're all gone. Can someone please tell me, what happened to just playing fair? Here is Expel. Exploiting inside the stronghold, to steal all the cash and killstreaks from inside, to give him an advantage in solos. My undercover agent was able to track him from the air, using wall hacks, as he ran around looting. I'm sorry, maybe I'm from a different planet, but when you glitch inside an activity, to steal the rewards to make your game easier, isn't that cheating? When I called this out, these streamers really don't like it. Criminals hate the police, just as cheating streamers hate Call of Shame.
Call of Shame is a prime example of this. The entire YouTube channel is built on the back of conspiracy theorists feeding a faceless creator suspicious clips. The problem with these faceless creators is, while they may try to tell you a superhero never reveals his true identity, they're not superheroes.
Later that game, Expel teamed with another enemy player. What happens next will frustrate anyone with a competitive nature. What gives you the right to eliminate someone playing fairly, to then revive your fellow cheater? Absolutely ridiculous. This teaming in solos for content needs to stop. Earn your views, create fair content, and stop this friendly fairy nonsense. And man up. When you collude with another enemy player, that is a violation of the licensing agreement, and you are cheating. Let me remind you of the game objective. You are supposed to kill the other enemy players, not team with them. If you want to team with someone, go and play duos. This idea of joining forces, to defeat your opponent with firepower, then split the rewards afterwards is hard to watch. This new woke style of gameplay, is another example, of just how far Call of Duty has drifted. I even caught him riding around with enemy players, while competing in solos. And actually killing enemies, like they were playing duos. Stop cheating and play fairly, and stop encouraging sugar mice. Rowdy Rogan is no fan of Call of Shame.
Purpose of this video is to again prove to you guys that it's actually Rogan playing and he's not cheating. I know a lot of you guys don't believe it out there because of some people making some bogus videos out there on YouTube. I'm not even going to mention them, but you already know.
I wasn't happy with the gameplay that was sent to me. I decided to head over to FaZe Swag's stream, to question the suspicious gameplay of Rowdy Rogan. However, the simps quickly assembled, and banned me from the chat after just 5 seconds. But is it any surprise, I simply stated his aim was rat-tastic. Am I wrong? And the 3 FaZe simpletons never said a thing. While Rogan was snapping all over the place, Dad watched nervously from behind the cam. In my opinion, this is blatant rage hacking. So little Rowdy Rogan. got more kills than these so-called FaZe professionals? I was born at night, but it wasn't last night. We went live on Friday night, exposing 4 streamers, using a wall hack overlay. For the first time, we were able to see things we otherwise would never have seen before. We wanted the community to decide if they are innocent or guilty. It shook the Warzone streaming community to its core.
Call of Shame is watching me with walls.
Looks like you're walling. Flip the camera and stretch your screen. Oh yeah, I'll flip the camera really quickly. Are you ready? Flip the camera.
I mean, I'll have people come into chat and be like, you're hacking. It's just like, there's no merit at all. I think it's just people being weird.
Ironically, it took wall hacks to expose wall hacks. We got you. Game over.
UAV online. Tactical nuke ready for launch.
Tactical nuke incoming!